Welcome to GPuncher tutorial. This is about the common line cut tutorial. In the first example, the first video, it was only one part without micro joints, and now I'm showing you a more complicated situation where it has micro joints and there is two parts. No complicated for the software. Software knows how to handle it pretty good. And all we do to demonstrate, I'm going to go property box, and there is a button right here called Arrange for Common Line Cut. I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna update the board, yes, and I'm gonna make sure it's 15 thousandths. The other video, instead of typing in 15,000, I typed in 150,000, but it doesn't matter. Use it will do it anyway at that value, whatever it is there. In this case, 15 thousandths. And you're going to click Arrange for Common Line Cutting. And still processing. And now I did it. I'm going to turn the path off. And you can see it went and arranged it. And all the outside perimeter is going to be the last we cut, same thing on the bottom. The outside perimeter will be cut last. So I'm going to assign the cutting, actually it already has the cutting part. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to do the sequence automatic by laser full parts. It's going to process it, and it's going to do the last cut, the outside perimeter. Now it's going to do the bottom, and it did it. Just keep working on it. I'm going to show you how it's going to cut. And it actually moves closer to closer wherever this geometry finds close to where the cut ends. It moves to the next closer geometry. That's how it goes. And the last we cut is the outside perimeter, and there it is. Now let's wait for the bottom. Same thing. It's gonna cut closer to closer, and if I the longest line. It still moves, cutting the inside patterns, and then the last is the outside perimeter. Great, thank you for visiting and watching this video. And any questions, call your Torres 209-740-4682. Thank you.